Encapsulation in Java. Encapsulation bundles data, variables, and methods inside a class and controls access using visibility levels. Private, only within the class. Protected, class plus subclasses. And public, accessible everywhere. This protects data and improves program security. Variable scope defines where a variable can be used. Class variables are shared across objects. Instance variables belong to individual objects, and local/argument variables exist only inside methods. Proper scope prevents confusion and memory misuse. Encapsulation is the process of packing data and methods together into a single unit, class, and protecting them from unauthorized access, improving security and control. Like locking belongings in a suitcase, encapsulation ensures data is organized and only accessible through defined methods, preventing direct interference. Encapsulation combines data members and methods into one unit called a class, keeping related information organized and manageable. Its main goal is security and control. Data is hidden from outside interference and can only be accessed when explicitly permitted. Access specifiers determine who can see and use class members. Public, accessible everywhere. Protected, accessible within the package and subclasses. Default, accessible only within the same package. And private, accessible only inside the class. They help enforce data security and controlled access, ensuring that sensitive information is hidden while only necessary members are exposed. Public access allows variables and methods to be used from anywhere, inside the class, outside the class, and even from different packages. It provides maximum accessibility, similar to public roads that anyone can use without restrictions. Private access means a variable or method can be used only inside the class where it is declared. No other class can directly access it. It ensures maximum data security, similar to a locked phone where personal data is visible only to the owner. Protected access allows members to be used within the same class, by subclasses, through inheritance, and by other classes in the same package. It supports controlled sharing, where important data is available to related classes but still hidden from unrelated external classes. Default access, package level, means members are accessible within the same class and package, but not from classes outside the package. It is automatically applied when no access modifier is written, helping maintain controlled visibility without explicitly using a keyword. The visibility matrix compares access levels. Private is restricted to the same class, default works within the same package, protected allows access to subclasses even in different packages, and public is accessible everywhere. As you move from private to public, accessibility increases while data protection decreases. So choosing the right modifier is critical for balancing security and flexibility. The scope of variables defines where a variable can be accessed and how long it stays in memory. Class/static variables are shared. Instance variables are unique to each object. And local/argument variables exist only during method execution. Understanding scope prevents memory misuse and errors, helping you choose the right variable type for efficient and organized programs. The scope of variables defines where a variable can be accessed and how long it stays in memory. Class/static variables are shared. Instance variables are unique to each object, and local/argument variables exist only during method execution. Understanding scope prevents memory misuse and errors, helping you choose the right variable type for efficient and organized programs. Static variables are declared with the static keyword and belong to the class, not individual objects. Only one shared copy exists in memory. When one object changes a static variable, the updated value is visible to all other objects because they reference the same shared data. Local variables are declared inside a method, can be used only within that method, and are automatically destroyed when the method finishes execution. Argument, parameter. Variables are defined in the method signature, receive values from the caller, and behave like local variables within that method. The method receives n as an argument and creates a local variable f, which is updated inside the loop to calculate the factorial. For example, for n equals 4, the result becomes 24. Both n and f exist only during the method execution and are removed from memory once the method ends, demonstrating the temporary nature of local variables. A static variable d is shared by all objects, so when one object calls increment and updates the value, the change is reflected for every object. Unlike local or instance variables, static data persists and accumulates changes, making it ideal for values that must remain consistent across the entire class. Encapsulation wraps data and methods into a single class, while access specifiers control who can view or modify that data, ensuring security and proper organization. Scope determines how long variables live and where they can be accessed. Choosing the right scope and access level leads to cleaner, safer, and more maintainable programs.